तो व्यूवर आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। चलते हैं हम टॉपिक की तरफ। से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर कर दें। एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एंड मेजर प्रोग्राम दी रन ऑन ए सिस्टम computer. Every computer system must have operating system in order to run different programs. The operating system is a collection of the software which manage various computer hardware resources. It additionally provides common service to different computer programs. An operating system performs several tasks such as recognize input from a keyboard, send input to display screen monitor, keep tracks or files as well as directories on a disk, control various peripheral device like hard drive, printer, video or sound card, electric. A figure named as the operating system or its interface shows the above basic concept in the clear way. An operating system generally has the instruction between computer user and computer hardware. The most observable figure of an operating system is its interface of operating system basically provides and the environment where can execute different programs. As soon as user turn on or boot or computer and operating system is located into the memory automatically. The term booting basically refer to the complete process of the loading any operating system into a computer memory. This procedure is usually done through a program commonly known as boot start holder loader, which is permanently stored in a computer electricity, generally on a ROM map. Type of operating. The operating system are the generally categories into two major types and dependent on the basic of the number feature such as the graphical user interference GUI operating system and command line operating system. Description of these both type of operating system is given below. Graphical user interface GUI operating system. A GUI operating system basically provides the graphical user interface to its user in order to communicate with system computer. In this interface, the icons, menus, or graphical objects are being used for issuing commands. The user of the GUI operating system do not need to memorize different commands while interacting with the computer. The example of GUI operating system includes Windows or the Windows operating system are very popular among all the others, which will be described with this unit in detail Linux etc. The best feature of the graphical user interface may include easy to learn. It is described above. The user GUI does not need to memorize different commands while interacting with computer. Simple to use, more user friendly as compared to command line operating system. More attractive effects, it provides various short multitasking. It easily enables you to view control as a multi manipulate multiple tasks as a time. आज तक इतना ही, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के